Hi everybody, Leslie Gale coming to you again from my series Simple Healthy Living on Mom TV. I've been having so much fun with my special holiday series, showcasing all sorts of really fun products and gift ideas and stocking stuffer ideas for each of you. And I'm coming to the end of my series, but I still have a couple more up my sleeve, which I'm really excited to share with you. So for today, I get to share these really fun M&M stocking stuffers, which they come in these really cute bags, cute little toppers as you can see on them. You have snowflakes, Santa hat, penguin, jingle bell, little ornament, all sorts of really fun ideas that I think your kids will love. And they come in a set of 5. So you can create your own tags on the top, again, like this one has little Santa's hat, but she has Christmas tree, gift box, ornaments, gingerbread man, Santa hat, candy cane, reindeer, pretty much anything. You can customize it, or she'll just give you a random assortment, which I love too. But for only $4.50, you'll get 5 of these, which I think is a really great deal. And she also has other fun items on her store, such as snowman soup and snowman poop, which is of course with little marshmallows, and Christmas tags, and again customizable Christmas tags, which I love. And so you definitely want to check out her site. And something that she's offering to each of you as well is a 10% discount on your purchase. So use the promo code HOLIDAY10, the number 10, at checkout, and you'll get 10% off, which I think is really great. So again, her site is on Etsy, Creations by J. Lynn, and I will give you guys the link. You don't have to worry about it. And I just think these are fun. I think your kids will love them. Cute, cute little idea for your stockings. I'm always trying to think of ideas for stockings, so I love this one. So again, these M&M stocking stuffers by Creations by J. Lynn on Etsy. I'll give you guys the link, and keep watching. I have a couple more goodies for you. I'll see you guys soon.